Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to turn off the green dot on your Android phone. If you have noticed a small green dot in the top right corner of your screen but don't know what it means or how to disable it, then this video is for you. First, let me open the camera app. As you can see, a small green dot appears in the top right corner. Now, if I open Snapchat, you will notice the same green dot appears again. This green dot simply means that your phone's camera is currently being used by an app. When I close the app that using the camera, the green dot disappears because no app is accessing the camera anymore. Now, if you want to stop certain apps from using your camera, you can easily do that. Once camera access is disabled for those apps, the green dot will no longer appear when you open them. Here's how to do it. First, open the settings menu on your phone. In the settings app is open, scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. In the apps menu, tap on the three dots more icon in the top right corner. Then select permission manager. If you can't find permission manager, simply go back to the main settings menu, use the search bar and type permission manager. When you appear there, tap to open it. Here you will see different types of app permission. Since the green dot is related to camera access, tap on camera. You will now see a list of apps that are allowed to use your camera such as Snapchat, Google Drive, the camera app and a few other apps. If you want, tap the three dots menu in the top right corner and select Show System. This will display the system app that also have permission to use your camera. Keep in mind that some system apps don't allow you to disable camera access. For example, the call app won't let you change its permission to don't allow because it is built-in system app. However, for regular apps like Snapchat, you can simply select don't allow. Now, if you open Snapchat again, it will ask you to enable camera permission because it needs camera access to function. But since you have denied the permission, Snapchat won't be able to use your camera and the green dot will no longer appear in the top right corner. I hope this guide helped you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any question, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.